makeup has the remarkable ability to enhance one's natural features and boost confidence, regardless of age. For middle-aged women, understanding the right techniques and products can help create a makeup look that celebrates their beauty and complements their mature features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced makeup enthusiast, this comprehensive 10-step guide will provide you with the knowledge and techniques to achieve a stunning makeup look at home, specifically tailored for middle-aged women. In this guide, we will explore the step-by-step process of creating a beautiful and age-appropriate makeup look that highlights your unique features. From preparing your skin with proper cleansing and moisturization to selecting the right foundation, concealer, and other key products, we will cover each aspect of the makeup application process. Middle age is a stage of life where our skin undergoes changes, such as fine lines, uneven texture, and changes in skin tone. This guide aims to address these concerns by offering tips and techniques to achieve a smooth and flawless base, enhance eyes and brows, add a healthy glow to cheeks, and define lips for a polished and confident appearance. Makeup is not about masking your natural beauty, but rather enhancing and embracing it. The goal is to create a radiant and youthful look that emphasizes your best features while embracing the wisdom and experience that comes with age. This guide will empower you to create a makeup routine that celebrates your individuality and enhances your confidence. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or simply want to look and feel your best every day, this step-by-step guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools to achieve a beautiful makeup look at home. So, let's dive into the comprehensive steps that will help you master the art of middle-aged women's makeup, unlock your beauty potential, and embrace your unique glow. Step 1. Cleanse and moisturize. Start by cleansing your face to remove any dirt or impurities. Follow up with a moisturizer that suits your skin type to create a smooth canvas for makeup application. Step 2. Primer. For a smooth base, apply a primer to minimize the appearance of fine lines, pores, and uneven texture. This step helps your makeup last longer and creates a flawless base. Step 3. Foundation. For even skin tone, choose a lightweight, hydrating foundation that matches your skin tone. Apply it evenly using a brush or sponge, focusing on areas that need more coverage while blending it out towards the edges. Step 4. Conceal and brighten. Use a creamy concealer to hide dark circles, discoloration, or any imperfections. Pat the concealer gently with your fingertips and blend it seamlessly into the skin. Step 5. Set with translucent powder. Set your foundation and concealer with a translucent powder to control shine and prolong the wear of your makeup. Use a fluffy brush and lightly dust it all over your face. Step 6. Enhance brows. Groom your eyebrows using a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. Fill in sparse areas and shape your brows to frame your face. Step 7. Define eyes. Apply a neutral eyeshadow shade all over your eyelids. Use a matte medium tone shade in the crease to add depth and softly blend it out. Line your upper lash line with a brown or charcoal eyeliner for a subtle definition. Finish with a coat of mascara to open up your eyes. Step 8. Add warmth with blush. Choose a warm-toned blush to add a youthful flush to your cheeks. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples. Step 9. Define lips. Outline your lips with a lip liner that matches your natural lip color or the shade of lipstick you'll be using. Fill in with a moisturizing lipstick in a color that complements your skin tone. Step 10. Finishing touches. Complete your makeup look by dusting a subtle highlighter on the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones and brow bones, for a radiant glow. Set your makeup with a setting spray to ensure longevity. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have reached the end of this comprehensive guide on how to achieve a stunning makeup look for middle-aged women. By following the 10 steps outlined in this guide, You now possess the knowledge and techniques to enhance your natural beauty and confidently embrace your unique features. Makeup is a powerful tool that allows you to express yourself and feel empowered at any age. Throughout this guide, we have covered the essential steps. From skincare preparation to foundation application, eye and brow enhancement, cheek color, and lip definition. Each step has been carefully designed to enhance your best features while considering the specific needs of mature skin. Remember, the key to successful makeup application lies in the confidence and self-expression it brings. Experiment with different shades, textures, and techniques to find what works best for you. Allow makeup to be a creative outlet that celebrates your beauty and individuality. It's important to note that beauty knows no age limit. Embrace the natural changes that come with middle age and see them as unique aspects of your beauty journey. Emphasize the wisdom and confidence that radiates from within. And let your makeup routine reflect your inner vibrancy. Take the time to care for your skin, nourish your body, and practice self-care. A healthy lifestyle, combined with a well-executed makeup routine, will contribute to your overall beauty and well-being. Now armed with the knowledge and techniques shared in this guide, you have the power to create stunning makeup looks that enhance your natural features and boost your confidence. Embrace the transformative power of makeup as a tool for self-expression and self-care. Remember, beauty is not defined by age or societal standards. It is a celebration of your unique journey and the woman you have become. So go forth, embrace your beauty, and let your makeup radiate the essence of your vibrant spirit. Now, it's time to indulge in the art of makeup, embrace your inner beauty, and confidently rock your middle-aged women's makeup look. Let your beauty shine through, and may you always feel empowered, radiant, and beautiful in your own unique way.